How to create an avatar on Facebook. First, open the Facebook app and make sure you are logged in. At the top right, tap the three lines menu, also called the hamburger menu. Scroll down and tap on See More. Now tap on Avatars. This will open up a fun cartoon world. You can either hit Create from Selfie if you want Facebook to generate one based on your face, or build your avatar manually, step by step. Now the fun begins. Choose your skin tone, hairstyle, face shape, body type, clothing style, and more. Go wild or keep it real. It's your mini you. Want to change something? Don't worry, you can review and edit everything from one place before saving. All done? Hit save at the top right and boom! Your avatar is ready to roll. Bonus tip. Use your avatar in comments, stories, and messages to add some personality and fun. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.